coming up to the Alaska State Fairgrounds. They are putting on a gun show this weekend. So we have 4 tables, and just kind of thought I'd show you a little bit about the scenery here. This is about 25 miles from our house here in Palmer, Alaska.
Well, we're just leaving the Palmer Gun Show. We thought we'd give you a quick view of Pioneer Peak Mountain. It's Pioneer off in the distance. That's a landmark here. Twin Peaks. And we're at the fairgrounds in Palmer, Alaska. Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Alaska WoodYard. So as you can see today, Miss Jill is all ready to go to work. Her little electric chainsaw.
I got my tunes and I have my lipstick on. I'm ready to go to work. He left me a nice little pile of wood to use the samurai with.
Let's take a walk out and see what we got. A little bit of a breeze. Pinnacle Mountain. And you can barely see King Mountain over there. You see a little bit of a breeze. The flag's barely moving, but when you get out here in the open yard, it is cooler. So today, I'm going to pick up a load of firewood logs back over to our subdivision. And Jill's going to be using the samurai buzzsaw to clean up the rest of that load from that semi, and this is smaller wood. So we're all hooked up. Safety chains are on, all ready to go. Greased the log dog up the other day. So the Oliver's running, and the Kubota, and if she needs to, she's got her little chainsaw. As you can see, the wind has picked up a little bit. It's a little more wind than it looks. So I'm going to leave Jill here by herself, and she's going to get this cut up. Hopefully. And I got the Kubota tractor running with the heater on, so when she moves logs, she can get warm. We'll take a look over here at the old Oliver. So this is the table I made for her, or put back together, I guess. I'll go get loaded and we'll check on her when we get back. Stay with us. Okay, this is the house we showed you last week. They're starting to put the roof on. Looks like the windows are all in. And it looks like we have a lot more wood to pick up. Another one of our piles. And this is where we're getting our last couple loads. We'll get loaded back up and we'll go back up and see how Jill is doing on her Samurai. And as I go down and turn around, I see they're clearing another lot. We are going to be busy. Well, I'm down here at the lot to pick up. So down there is the other day where we were loading, where Jill, you've seen the excavator working. They're starting to clear another lot. As you see, they're working on the house up here where we picked up 2 weeks ago. And where we just drove by, they're clearing 2 more lots. And these are the 2 lots that we picked up on the last video. I still have a couple loads there to clean up. We got a little bit of cottonwood, some cleanup. I'll come up here at the driveway here. They've got their concrete blankets ready to start doing the footers. Thought I'd give you a quick view while we're down here getting ready to pick up a load. And that was pile number 2 here. And then down here by the truck was pile number 3. Some of this wood's a little older growth birch. We'll have to separate out the hollow stuff and process that separately. And I'll get this loaded up and we'll get back. Another plane up there, plane over there. Lots of planes in the sky today. Well, let me give you a quick view of the load we got here and we'll get back and see how Jill's doing. Not the prettiest load, but we have to clean it all up. This load is actually free, or given to us. It's not free, we have to come and get it. And we have a little cottonwood left, some birch. And there's pile number 3. I did pick a little bit out of that. We may bring the 550 back today and see if we can get some more of this cleaned up. I wanted to give you a quick view before I headed back up to the WoodYard. And we'll stop and take a quick shot of the pile that we're getting ready to pick up. So this is where we picked up the load during the ice storm a couple videos ago. Another contractor in here getting the foundation in on this house. And up here, our good friend Edward is where we're picking up our wood. We'll see what he's got going on here. So he started this Saturday, took yesterday off, and today is Monday. So we got some nice birch there. And a few cottonwood we have to clean up, but a lot of times he will give us the whole pile. And there's a lot at the end of the cul-de-sac where they were burning last week. Kind of a quick view out the windshield here, coming down into Wasilla downtown. And we're coming up to the Four Corners on the Parks Highway and Palmer-Wasilla Highway. Well, we're just pulling in. See if I can give you a quick view here of the driveway pulling in. Lots of wood over in the RV park. And this is Chris's cottonwood pile. I think him and Tony are going to come up and cut that up for me. And my saw log pile way over there in the distance. Cell tower, of course. Well, she's got quite a bit done. Yep, and she is still working. She doesn't know how lucky she's got it for a man to provide wood for her. Well, let's go over and see how she's doing. A little breezy out here today, but she's doing pretty good. we'll give her a little break here. So the Samurai 700 made by Balfor is PTO driven. As you can see, it's winding down. Hydraulically driven motor that powers the saw. So how's your new roller system working, Jill?
Oh, it works good. I love it. It's almost as good as my little forklift when I use it in the summertime. Almost.
Well, there's the load we picked up today over there, and as you've seen in the video, we've got several more piles to pick up, so we're going to take the 550 back today, pick up a cleanup, give Joe a little bit of a break here, so we're going to let you go for now, and we'll catch you on the next one. And from the Alaska Woodyard, goodbye everyone.
Bye.